Now, criteria for congruency of triangles. Hmm? So, in that, the first criteria is the side congruency, or in short, it is called as SSS congruency rule. What does it say? It is if three sides of a triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. So, for example, now, the example one is the question is triangle PQR congruent to triangle XYZ? If it is so, give reasons and also write the corresponding angles of the triangle. So, see here, we compare these two triangles, we observe these two and write according to the corresponding sides. That is, see here, the triangle PQR, okay, and this is XYZ. In these two triangles, in triangle PQR and triangle XYZ, what do we observe? See, PQ is equal to XY and they are corresponding sides and they are equal, and QR and YZ are equal and they are corresponding sides also. So we write QR is equal to YZ, isn't it? And then next PR, the third side is 5.3 centimeters here. Here also 5.3 centimeters, and it is XZ. And in these two triangles, the corresponding sides are equal. When corresponding sides are equal, as we say by SSS rule, that if three sides of a triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of another triangle, then these two triangles are said to be congruent. So what we write is, therefore, by SSS congruency rule, or we can just write rule, we say that we say triangle PQR is congruent to triangle XYZ. Okay, and one more question he asked is, also write the corresponding angles of the triangle. Corresponding angles, what are the corresponding angles? See, corresponding angles of these two triangles. The corresponding angle of P, angle P is equal to how much? Angle X. And angle Q, the corresponding angle of Q is angle Y. So angle Q and angle Y are equal. Angle R and angle Z are equal. Okay, note down. Now the next the exercise one will solve that. I've taken the first problem, that is decide whether the SSS congruence is true with the following figure. Give reasons. Here a figure is given. So in this there are two triangles. The name of the triangles are SLD is one triangle and ADL. Okay. So we have to compare the corresponding parts of the two triangles and whether whether they are congruent or not by this congruence rule, that we have to find out. See how, what we do first, we consider the triangles, triangle SLD and triangle ADL. Okay, in this, see, the side SL is the corresponding side of SL is AD here. Are they equal? No. SL is not equal to AD. They are corresponding sides, but they are not equal. And AL is equal to, sorry, here in this triangle, SD is equal to the side AL in the second triangle, and this DL or LD is common side in both the triangles. This side is common for to both the triangles. So therefore, by SSS axiom, these two triangles are not congruent. Why? Because the corresponding sides, the pair is not equal. Therefore, what we say? Therefore, by congruence sorry, SSS congruence rule. Triangle SLD is not congruent to triangle ADL, isn't it? And what is the question? Decide whether it is congruent is true. The this congruent these two are congruent is a false statement, isn't it? The bicongruence rule is not equal to triangle ADL is false. You can write like this, or they are not congruent. Okay. Okay. Now, the second question is for the following congruent triangles, find the pairs of corresponding angles. Here in this figure, these two triangles are said to be what? Congruent triangles. The names of the triangles are that triangle POQ or OPQ, you can write OPQ, and triangle ORS. Okay. So in these two triangles, we see that OP and OS are equal, OR and OQ is equal, and PQ and RS are equal. See, these two are congruent triangles. Only we have to write the find the pairs of corresponding angles. Okay, so the corresponding angles are the corresponding angle of this angle P is angle S here, isn't it? So angle P is equal to angle S. And what about angle Q? Angle Q is equal to, it is angle R. Okay, and what else about this angle? This angle, it is at the vertex O, isn't it? And O is the common vertex to this triangle and this triangle. So we take the help of these three vertices, we write the angle. The angle name is angle POQ. Angle POQ means this angle. Okay. So only angle O you cannot write. Angle POQ is equal to this angle is angle ROS or SOR. Both mean the same. So I write angle ROS. These are the three pairs which are corresponding angles of these two triangles. So for this also we can write angle P means we can write this as angle OPQ. So it should be in the middle. We want the angle P, no? So it can be written as OPQ or QPO. And similarly, angle S can be written as angle RSO or OSR. So whatever angle we want, it should be in the middle. Here see, we want this angle. So the vertex is O here. So in the middle, it is O here, and here also O in the middle. Okay. Now the next question, fourth problem, that is in the figure given below, given that AB and DC are equal and AC DB are equal, then is triangle ABC and triangle DCB are congruent, that we have to find out. See here, ABC means this triangle and DCB means this triangle. In these two triangles, AB and DC are equal. AB and DC are equal. Therefore, I have represented with this line. AB and DC are equal, and AC and DB both are equal. These two, and now are these two triangles congruent? See, when you observe, BC is the common side to the triangle ABC and BCD, isn't it? Or DCB. So by triple S, that is SSS congruence rule, we can say that these two triangles are congruent. That we'll write in steps, that is in triangles ABC and triangle DCB. So the corresponding sides we have to compare. AB and CD are equal, isn't it? Or DC. DC or CD both mean the same, and it is given in the problem. Therefore, I write given in the brackets. and AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. This is also given in the problem only. And what about BC? BC is the common side which is in both the triangles. We can see this in the figure. So the corresponding sides are equal. So according to SSS rule, that when the corresponding sides of one triangle are equal to another triangle, then they are said to be congruent. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, by SSS congruence rule, we say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DCB.